So thought I'd take a couple minutes tonight and show you my some of the rockets and the launch controller I made. Pretty simple. It's got your key and turn your switch and then your button. And you open the box. It's pretty crude right now, but I'm gonna fix it up. Got this wired in to there, to the switch, and then to the toggle switch. These are the leads that you attach to the rocket engine, to the igniter. That's one side, and then there's the other side. Anyway, we're gonna fix that all up one day when I have time. Pretty simple to operate. Take your key, put your key in, and turn your key on. That lights up, and then push that, and bang, it goes. This here was cut out for another project I wanted to do with it. I wanted to put it in after you flip this switch. You gotta flip another switch, but I was worried that the lights would be too much for the 9-volt. You can hook this up to a big car battery too, to a car battery or a ATV battery if you want. Pretty simple. Just an old O-ring splicing kit box that I found laying around. Drilled out the holes with the Dremel and whatever. It looks pretty crude, but it works. Pretty simple. Show you the Intimidator. I don't know how well you can see it, but it's gonna be a three engine called parallel stage rocket. Called parallel because you got the engines on the side instead of the usual cluster. Usually when you do multiple engines, you have a cluster ring, just a round piece of wood really that has holes in it for these mounts, and then it goes in the center. But this is a parallel stage. They're pretty cool. This one's got actually has two recovery devices. It's got the streamer, and I don't know how well we can see it. Let's see if I can pull it out a bit. I'll just use regular cotton string. You can see you do your streamer up like that. And down there's the camouflage parachute. Oops, stupid thing unrolled on me. Anyway, stuff it in, it doesn't matter for now. Come on. Anyway, so what's gonna happen when this thing goes off? We have to hook it up to a car battery. On the sides, you're gonna have what are called just zero motors, D12 zeros. They have no ejection charge in them, so they're not gonna pop the nose out. Well, it wouldn't pop the nose out anyway because I got them glued in. And hopefully, when they go off, I cut the engine hooks, the ends of the engine hooks off. Hopefully, they'll just pop out when they kind of blow at the end, and then it'll go a bit more. 7-second delay after this motor burns out, and then after 7 seconds, it's gonna pop the nose out, and all that stuff's gonna come back out. The parachute and the streamer and whatnot. And hopefully we get it back. Got another one up here, I'll show you really quick. This is Austin's rocket that I made for him. It's just a single, but should go fairly high. Pretty simple to make. I use buy these tubes. Just buy these tubes. These are model rocket tubes. These are BT60s. They're called BT60 tubes. Only size bigger is BT80. And then you got it. This is the engine block, or the engine mount. Shows you how it goes. But yeah, pretty simple. And then all the other stuff that goes along with making these. And that's pretty much what I wanted to show you.